Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you in a good condition, yes? For the first one, let me introduce myself. My name is Fortunaria Henani A.M.D. Everyone call me Sandra. I am from TBIC class and I am 6th semester at EIN Madura. Well, in this video, I will show you about how to input the data in the SPSS application. Here I have two data that will analyze. The first one is about experimental design and the second one is about correlational design. So, how to input the data? Let's continue to the next video. Okay, the first one that you have to do is download SPSS application. After you already install, then you can open it like that. Now, I will analyze the data in the first question. It is about comparing group pre-test and group post-test. You can click variable view and fill the name here with pre-test and post-test. Then you can change decimal here to 0 whether in pre-test and post-test. And how about the label? Label here is same with the name before, that is pre-test and post-test. Okay, next, in the measure, you can choose scale whether in pre-test and post-test. After that, move to the data view. The name that I already written before is already available here, so we can put the data here. After you fill the data, next click Analyze and choose Compare Means. Choose Paired Sample t-test. Because we want to compare pre-test and post-test, right? Well, this is the display of paired samples t-test. Next, move the pre-test to paired variables column by click this arrow. And do it again to the post-test. Next, you can click option here. Determine the confidence interval percentage. Usually here is 95%, which means that the researcher error rate is 5% or 0.05%. Next, exclude cases analysis by analysis and then click continue, then click OK. Well, this is the display or the result of the analysis. Because significant to thought or a probability value here is 0.001, in which this is smaller than 0.05. It means that the students' score in the post-test are different from their score in the pre-test. As we know that if the signification bigger rather than 0.05, So, hypothesis is rejected, but if signification smaller than 0.05, the hypothesis is accepted. Okay, next is analyze the second data in the second question. You can click variable view and fill the name here with X and Y or Y. Then you can change decimals here to 0, whether in pre-test and post-test. Next, you can fill label here with grammatical error in writing for X and grammatical error in speaking for Y or Y. Next, in the measure, you can choose scale whether in X and Y. And then after that, move to the data view. Okay, the name that I written before is already available here, so we can put the data here. Next, click Analyze and choose Correlate, then choose Bivariate. Move the content in the left side to the right side using arrow. Then make sure that in the correlation coefficient, you put a tip in a person like that. And then choose to told test of significance. And the last, give a tip in a flag significant correlation like that in here. Then click OK. Well, this is the display or the result of the analysis. From the table, it is known that the value of significant two-thirds between grammatical error in writing or X and grammatical error in speaking or Y is 0.004, which is smaller than 0.05. Which means that this significant correlation between the variable grammatical error in writing and the variable grammatical error in speaking, like that.